Hello everyone, I am Bogdan, and in this video we are taking a look at how you can change the fuel filter on the BMW F10 5 Series. We start by removing the under tray. After removing those plastic trims, we reach the filter. Ideally, you should have an adjustable hose clip. If your car has never been serviced, you have big chances of having one of those self-use clips that holds the pipes, and you will want that adjustable one. You will be unclipping the pipes. Pay attention to the way that holder is connected. I messed it up when I've done the install. My car had already that adjustable hose clip, so you undo that, get something to collect the diesel. You don't want it to get everywhere because it will be very unpleasant afterwards. This change is quite straightforward. You'll be changing the fuel filter, the canister. At the end of it, BMW doesn't say anything about priming the fuel system, but having the experience with the Audi cars, I went and I used the diagnostics to prime everything, just as a preventive measure, so that the high pressure fuel pump doesn't have to run on dry. This is the place where I've done my mistake and I didn't connect the two holders properly. Now the process is very straightforward. You'll be reassembling all the things that you have removed. I hope that this video helps. If I forgot something, or if you have ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.